we are having is the 0.2x plus 0.3y as equal to the 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y as equal to the 2.3. So this one we are having is the equation number 1 and this one we are having is the equation number 2. Now we are going to take the one equation from both of them. So here I am taking the equation number 1. So I'm going to write here 0.2x plus 0.3y as equal to the 1.3. Now I'm going to transpose this one. So we are having 0.3y as equal to the 1.3 minus 0.2x and y is equal to the 1.3 minus 0.2x. It will divide here. So here we are having is the 0.3. This one we are having is the equation number 3. Now we are going to put this one in the equation number 2. So I am going to write here putting the value of equation 3 in equation 2. So the equation number 2 we are having 0.4x plus 0.5y as equal to the 2.3. This one we are having is the equation number 2. Now if you put the value, we are having 0.4x plus 0.5 multiply the value of y we are having 1.3 minus 0.2x and in the denominator we are having 0.3 and this one is equal to the 2.3 we are having. Now we are going to solve this one. So here we are having is the 0.4 x plus we have to multiply this one 1.3 multiplied by 0.5. So we are having 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. We have to put the decimal after 2 digits. So this one we are having is 0.65. So I'm going to write here we are having 0.65 minus we are going to multiply by 0.2 by the 0.5. So we are having here 5 2s are 10, 0 carry 1. So I'm going to put here carry. So we have to put the decimal after 2 digits. So this one we are having 0.10. Now in the denominator we are having 0.3 and this one we are having is 2.3. Now here having 1, we have for adding the denominator should be same. For that one we have to multiply by this one 0.3. So if we are multiplying in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator also. So I'm going to multiply this one. Here we are having the 0.4 multiplied by 0.3. 3 4s are 12. Carry 1, 0 and 1. We have to put the decimal after 2 digits. So we are having here is the 0.12 plus 0.65 minus this one we are having is the x and this one we are also having as the x. So here we are having is the 0.12x plus 0.65 minus 0.10x and here in the denominator we are having is the 0.3 and here 2.3. I am going to transfer this one here. So this one will multiply 2.3 multiplied by 0.3. So 2.3 multiplied by 0.3 we are having 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. We have to put the decimal after 2 digits. So this one we are having is the 0.69. So I'm going to write here. This one we are having 0.12x and here we are having 0.10x plus 0.65. We are going to multiply both of them. So this one will have as equal to the 0.69. Now plus minus minus. So we will have the remainder as equal to the 0.02x plus 0.65 and here we will have 0.69. Now we will transfer this number here. We are having 0.02x plus, sorry, this one we are having as equal to the 0.69 minus 0.65. Now we will have 0.02x as equal to, we have to subtract this one, so we will have 0.04 as the remainder. Now we are having x as equal to the 0.04 and here we are having 0.02. So decimal will cancel from decimal. Now we are having 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the value of x we are having as equal to the 2. Now we have to put this value in the equation number 3 we are having. So this is the equation number 3 we are having. Now we are going to put the value in this one. write here, putting the value of x in, we are having the equation number 3, in equation number 3. So this one we are having y as equal to the 1.3 minus 0.2 multiplied by x. This one we are having is the 2, and here we are having is the 0.3. Now we are having y as equal to the 1.3 minus, we will multiply this one. This one we will have as equal to the 0.4. Now if you have multiplied this one by the 0.4, here we are having is the 0.3. Now to subtract this one we are having is the 1.3 minus 0.4. So here we are having 0, I am going to take carry here, we will have 13 here. Now 13 minus 4 we are having as equal to the 9. So the remainder we are having 0.9. Now to divide this one by 0.3, 0 decimal is cancelled from decimal, here we are having 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So the value of y we are having as equal to the 3, and the value of x we are having as equal to the 2. So this one we are having is the part 4. Now comes to the part 5. This one we are having root 2x plus root 3y as equal to the 0. This one we are having equation number 1. Now root 3x plus minus root 3x minus root 8y. This one we are having as equal to the 0. This one we are having equation number 2 here. Now I am going to take the equation number first here. So we are having root 2x plus root 3y as equal to the 0. Now I am going to transpose this one here. So we are having minus root 2x, and here we will have y is equal to the minus root 2 by root 3x. So this one we are having is the equation number 3 here. Now we are going to put this one in the equation number 2. So I am going to write here, putting the value of equation 3 in equation 2. So the equation number 2 we are having root 3x minus root 8y as equal to the 0. So we are having root 3x minus root 8. The value of y we are having multiplied by minus root 2, and here we are having root 3 as equal to the x, and this one we are having 0 here. Now root 3x minus 8 to the 16, and minus plus, this one will have plus 16 by root 3 x is equal to the 0. Now here we are having 1. We have to add. For adding, the denominator should be same. For that one, you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator both. So this one we are having 3x minus plus. Here we are having 4. So we are going to write here 4 4s are 16. So when I take 4 out, so we will have 4x, and here we will have root 3 multiplied by root 3 we will have as equal to the, this one we are having is the root 3 as equal to the 0 here. Now we are going to transpose this one, this will become 0 here. So we are having 3x plus 4y as equal to the 0. So we will have 7x is equal to the 0. Now we will transpose this one. So 0 divided by 7 we are having as equal to the 0. So the value of x we are having as equal to the 0 here. Now we are going to put this value in the equation number 3. So we will write here, putting the value of x in equation 3, and the equation number 3 we are having y is equal to the minus root 2 by root 3 multiplied by the value of x we are having. So this will become 0. So the value of y we are having also equal to the 0. So I am going to write this statement here. Hence x is equal to the 0 and y is equal to the 0 we are having. So this one we are having is the part 5. Now comes to the part 6. The equations we are having is the 3x by 2 minus 5 by y by 3. This one we are having as equal to the minus 2, and this one we are having is equation number 1. Now comes to the second one. This one we are having x by 3 plus y by 2, and this one we are having as equal to the 13 by 6, and this one we are having is the equation number 2. Now I am going to simplify this one. I am going to take the equation number 1 here. So here we are having 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 as equal to the minus 2. Now we have 5 by 3y as equal to the, here we are having is the minus 2, we are going to transpose this one here. So this one will have minus 3x by 2. Now I am going to take the minus as the common, so we will have 5 by 3y, and here we will have 2 plus 3x by 2. So minus is cancelled from minus. Now we are having 5 by 3y as equal to the 2 plus 3x by 2. This one we are having here. Now we are going to simplify this one first. So for that one, here we are having 1, we have to multiply this one by the 2. So we will have 5 by 3y. If we are multiplying in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator also. So we are having 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3x by 2. This one we are having. Now we are going to transpose this one. So we are having y as equal to the 4 plus 3x. This 3 will multiply and this 5 will divide here. So we are having y as equal to the 4 3s are 12 plus 3 3s are 9x and 5 2s are 10. So this one we are having is the equation number 3, where we are having y as equal to the 12 plus 9x divided by 10. This one we are having the equation number 3. Now we are going to put this one in the equation number 2. So equation number 2, we are going to write here, putting the value of equation 3 in equation 2. So the equation number 2 we are having is the x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to the 13 by 6. So I am going to write here x by 3 plus 1 by 2. We have to multiply this y here, and the value of y we are having is the 12 plus 9x by 10, and this one we are having as equal to the 13 by 6. Now we will simplify this one. X by 3 plus 12 plus 9x, and this one we are having 20 is equal to the 13 by 6. Now we are going to solve this one further. So this one we are having, we are going to cross multiply. This one will have 20x plus 12 3s are 36, and here we will have 9 3s are 27x, and here we will have 3 2s are 6. 60 is equal to the 13 by 6. Now we will cross multiply. So this one we are having 6 2s are 12, 120x plus 36 multiplied by 6 we will have as equal to the 216, and this one we are having is the 27 multiplied by 6. Now multiply this one. 6 7s are 42, carry 4, and 6 2s are 12. 12 and 2 we are having as equal to the 16. So this one we are having 162x, and here we will have 13 multiplied by 60. So 120x plus 162 we are having as equal to the 282x plus 216. This one we are having as equal to the 13 multiplied by 60 we will have as equal to the 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 6 1s are 6, and 1 7. So this one we are having as equal to the 780. Now 282x is equal to the 780 minus 216. So we will have 282x as equal to, we have to subtract this one. Here we are having 780, and this one we are having is 216. So this one will have 10 minus 6 we are having 4. This one we are having 7. 7 minus 1 we are having 6, and 7 minus 2 we are having is equal to the 5. So this one we are having 564. Now we are going to transpose this one here. So we are having 464, and here we are having is the 282. So 282 ones are 282, and 282s are we are having is the 564. So the value of x we are having as equal to the 2. Now we will put this one in the equation number 3 we are having, and the equation number 3 we are having is the y is equal to the 12 plus 9x by 10. So we will have y as equal to the 12 plus 9 multiplied by 2, and this one we are having is the 10. So we will have 12 plus 9 2s are 18 by 10. Now we will add this one. 8 and 2 10, carry 1, 30 divided by 10, so 0 is cancelled from 0. So value of y we are having as equal to the 3. Value of x we are having is the 2, and the value of y we are having as equal to the 3. So this one we are having is the last part, part 6. With this one we have completed the question number 1. In the next video we are going to start with the question number